Class 8. Just previous day we have solved the exercise 1A. Now we are going to start our exercise 1B. In student 1B we have to discuss about the representation of rational number on the number lines. How can we represent the rational numbers on the number line? Question 1 and question 2 say about that. Just if you are find that the question 1 is the representation of rational number on the number line or whole number on the number line. How we can represent? Just take exercise question number 8 of first 8. How can we represent 8 on the number line? It is very easy. Just take a line, start here from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So just this point shows as this is the 8. You already know that we have to taken all positive integers on the right side of the 0 and all negative integers on the left side of the 0. Next question, if you are taking question number 7, that is the 4 and 2 by 3. 4 and 2 by 3. How can we represent 4 and 2 by 3 in the number line? It is just nothing. It is also very easy. If you are finding here that this is the 4 and this is the 5. If you are looking at the question, this question says that the 4 and 2 by 5. It means what? It means 4 is a complete number, whole number, and 2 by 5 is a rational number. So the number 4 and 2 by 5 is lies between 4 and 5. If you stretch this 4 and 5, you are getting 4 and 5 here. And just we have to also represent this 2 by 5 on this number. 2 by 5 को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे ये थोड़ा सा आपको समझना है. 5 में से हमें 2 पार्ट लेना है. जस्ट वी हैव टू टेकन 2 पार्ट्स इन दिस 5 पार्ट्स. 4 to 5 we have to divide in a 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This part can be written in the form of the 1 by 5 because this is the first part in 5. This part can be written in the form of the 2 by 5 and this part can be written in the 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. In your question 2 by 5 we have to find out. If you are looking here, this is the 2 by 5. It means this is the 2 by 5. This 2 by 5 is only 2 by 5, but before the number start with the point 4, hence we can take this 2 by 5 and 4. This comes together and form 4 and 2 by 5. This is your answer. So just in the number lines, if you are finding here, इसको हम स्मॉल 5 पार्ट में स्टूडेंट डिवाइड करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. इस चीज़ को मैं यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन कर दिया हूँ. यहाँ पे आपको समझने में थोड़ी दिक्कत होगी, बट यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि इसी नंबर को हम क्या करेंगे 4 and 2 by 5 रिप्रेजेंट कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रिप्रेजेंट द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स ऑन द नंबर लाइन। अगर आप क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड को देखते हो तो इसमें अगेन आपको नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करना है, बट अभी आपने यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव नंबर्स देखा, जो मिक्स नंबर है 4 and 2/3 और 8, दिस इज द पॉजिटिव number line which is represented on this number line on the right side of the zero. If you are taking negative number, you have to take it on the left side of the zero. For your example, suppose this is the 0, so here we can write this -1, -2, -3 and -4 डैश डैश। सेकेंड का थर्ड क्वेश्चन मैं लेता हूं। सेकेंड का थर्ड क्वेश्चन आप देखते हो, सेकेंड का जो थर्ड क्वेश्चन है दैट इज द -1 and 2/3। थोड़ा सा इसमें स्टूडेंट आपको कंफ्यूजन होगा कि ये नंबर हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करें, क्योंकि नेगेटिव साइन के साथ है। तो इट इज़ आल्सो वेरी इजी एंड जस्ट द स्टेप विच यू आर डूइंग ऑन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू डूइंग द सेम। इफ वी कैन डिवाइड दिस नंबर -1 and 2/3, जस्ट वी कैन राइट -1 and -2/3. What we have to done in this question, this -1 we have to taken separately, 0 to this -1, and after this we have to taken again 2/3 in the minus form. Minus form, it means you have to go with the left of this -1. तो -2/3 how we can represent in this number line? Again we have to taken this denominator 3 and we have to divide this portion in a 3 equal part, 1, 2 and this 3. If you are looking here, this part is the 1, this part is the 2 and this part is the 3. Now we have to taken 2/3. So this is written as a 1/3, this is written as a 2/3. Hence this line, this point on this line shows that this is -1 and this is -2/3. And after solving we can say that this is -1 and 2/3. So you can represent the negative rational and the positive rational by this method, which are given in your exercise 1 and 2 of first B. Now student, just we are going to start on the first C also. Just we are taking only one question today.